Welcome back to the channel. Did you know that the average millionaire has 7 streams of income? We're on a journey to create 700 streams of income using AI. This is Chat GPT3, and I'm going to use it to write a script. If you didn't see my last video, go check it out. It'll explain this in a little bit more depth. But we're going to use this script, and then we're going to head over to Pictory.ai. This is where we turn our text into a video or audio file. You can also use a service like Murph.ai. This is the one that I actually chose to go with. You can pick a lot of different avatars. So let's go ahead. We're going to upload that script, start to chop up those sections, and even pick which avatar you actually want to read the script for you. Once that's ready for download, we're going to head over to a new service called ACX. This is where we're actually going to sell the audio book. And this is going to be our passive income stream. We're going to sell it on Audible, Amazon, and iTunes. So let's go ahead. We're going to start our audiobook, and it's real simple. You can create a free account. And once this account's set up, you could either use Chat GPT3 to actually create that story for you. I've got one ready to go. Check out my last video, like I said. Like and subscribe for more passive income tips. You can see here that this is a children's book. So let's go ahead and set that. We're going to set the pricing, and boom.